In a major operation as a part of War Against Drugs 2.0, Imphal West District Police yesterday carried out an operation based on specific information about a transportation of contraband items. So a strong team of commando teams along with our gazetted officers rushed to Minuthong area and intercepted a Tata truck bearing registration number RJ19GG0025 while it was coming from North AOC towards this Minuthong near MMT area at around 6:30 p.m. So, in presence of executive magistrate and gazetted officers, we carried out search by observing all formalities, and in which we found one modified box type compartment on the bottom body of the vehicle. So, which it was suspected to be concealing some items. So, upon opening the iron cover of the modified box, it was found that it was found that 131 packets of suspected opium packed in brown cello tape were found in that particular compartment. So again we conducted search over the vehicle, and another 7 packets of suspected opium packets were found concealed inside the front dashboard of the vehicle. So the total weight of the total 138 packets of suspected opium packets is found to be 136.03 kg. The driver of the truck, namely Mr. Sadiq Muhammad, he disclosed that the above recovered suspected opium packets were handed over to him by one unknown person sent by his partner, namely Mr. Om Prakash of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, to transport it to Rajasthan. So he was arrested at around 9:10 p.m. At around 9:10 p.m. and seized the recovered items at 10 p.m. by observing all necessary formalities. The details of the arrested person is Sadiq Muhammad, 44 years, son of Safi Muhammad of Indranagar, Jodhpur, Sangria Fanta, Sangaria, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. So in this case, we have registered a case in Imphal PS, and we are inquiring as to who all are involved in this particular case. The total amount of the recovered seized items would be about 10 crores in international market.